this is Shamim from Intelixel, and finally I'm back with our exciting tutorials. This is completely free for you. This is MERN plus Next.js mastery, and I'm gonna upload every week one video for you guys so that you're gonna learn so many things from these tutorials. And this is very beginner friendly tutorials, and if you want to start from watching these videos or watching this YouTube tutorial series, probably you will be very easily software developer. So both the cases you're gonna learn so many things. So now I'm gonna explain the modules or level what I have and how I'm gonna teach you and what the information I'm gonna give you. So let's have a look what the information I have right now. So this is MERN plus Next.js mastery, and this is completely web development courses. This is free and you're gonna learn these things from me. So this is level 1, and this is internet and module 1, internet and web fundamentals. So we're going to start first from these: how the internet works, client versus server, browser and web server, HTTP and HTTPS, request and responses, DNS, domain and hosting, REST API, JSON, frontend versus backend, SPA versus SSR versus SSG. So this is mini project personal portfolio website you just heard. Level 2 HTML, CSS and UI. Model 2 HTML5, HTML structure, semantic HTML, forms, tables, images, audio and video, accessibility, SEO fundamentals. Module 3 CSS3, selectors, box model, position, flexbox, grid, responsive, design, media queries, animations, transitions, CSS variables. Module 4 Tailwind CSS. Utility first CSS, responsive design, flex, grid, typography, components, custom configuration, dark mode animations, and reusable UI. Project modern responsive landing page. Level 3 JavaScript. So module 5 JavaScript fundamentals, variables, data types, operators, conditions, loops, functions, scope, hoisting, and module 6 advanced JavaScript, arrays, object, destructing, spread and rest, template, literals, higher order functions, map, filter, reduce, find, closures and callback. Module 7 modern JavaScript. Yes, 6 plus modules, promises, async, await, fetch API, error handling, optional chaining, and knowledge coalescing. So module 8 browser and DOM, events, event delegation, local shortage, session storage, fetch API, DevTools, project expense tracker, quiz application. So level 4 Git and GitHub. Module 9 Git and GitHub, Git installation, repository, commit, branch, merge, revise, GitHub, pull request, issues, read map, Git ignore, Git workflow, collaboration. Project collaborative GitHub project. Level 5 TypeScript. Module 10 TypeScript fundamentals. Why TypeScript? Type system, primitive types, arrays, object, function, interface, type aliases, union, intersection, enum. Module 11 advanced TypeScript. Generics, utility types, type guards, type narrowing, any, unknown, never modules. Project convert a JavaScript application to TypeScript. Module level 6 React.js. Module 12 React fundamentals. What is React? React architecture, void, JSX, components, props, state, events, conditional rendering, list, keys, forms. Module 13 React hooks. Use state, use effect, use reference, use memo, use callback, custom hooks. Advanced. Module 14 Advanced React. Component architecture, reusable components, context API, error boundaries, performance, lazy loading, coding, code splitting, React DevTools. Module 15 React router, routing, nested routes, dynamic routes, route parameters, protected routes, 404 pages. Module 16 state management, context API, then Redux toolkit, store, slice, action, reducer, selectors, async, thunk, RTK query, API setup, queries, multitions, caching, loading states, error handling, project, React admin dashboard. Level 7 Next.js. To become one of the core selling points of your courses, Module 17 Next.js Fundamental. What is Next.js, React versus Next.js? Why Next.js? Next.js architecture, creating Next.js application, app router, project structure, layouts, pages, components. Module 18 Next.js routing. File-based routing, dynamics routes, nested routes, route group, catch all routes, parallel routes, intercepting routes, navigation, link, redirect not found, and project multi-page Next.js website. Module 19 server and client components. This is very important. Take server components, client components, use client, when to use server components, when to use client components, component boundaries, data fetching architecture. Students should understand why Next.js isn't simply React with routing. Module 20 rendering in Next.js. CSR, SSR, SSG, ISR, static rendering, dynamic rendering, streaming, suspense. Students should understand which rendering strategy to choose and why. Module 21 data fetching. Fetch API, server-side data fetching, client-side data fetching, caching, revalidation, loading AY, error AY, suspense, parallel data fetching. Project Next.js blog. Module 22 Next.js server feature. Server action, server functions, forms, multitions, cookies, headers, middleware, proxy concepts, route handlers. Module 23 Next.js backend. Take students that Next.js can also handle backend functionally. Routes handles REST API, requests, responses, middleware, validation, authentication, database connection, server-side logic. Module 24 Next.js database integration. Connect with Next.js. MongoDB, Mongoose, Prisma. Database connection modules, queries, CRUD, server-side database operation, connection caching. Environmental variables. Module 25 Next.js authentication. Registration, login, logout, password hashing, JWT, cookies, session, protected routes, middleware, role-based access, admin authentication. Module 26 Next.js SEO. One of the major advantages of Next.js. Take metadata, dynamic metadata, open graph, Twitter cards, sitemap, robots.txt, canonical URLs, SEO-friendly URLs, structured data, and social sharing. SEO optimized blog, news website. Module 27 Next.js image and performance. Next image optimization, font optimization, dynamic imports, lazy loading, code splitting, caching, performance optimization, core web vitals. Level 8 Node.js. Module 28 Node.js fundamentals. Node.js architecture, V8, event loop, non-blocking I/O modules, CommonJS, ES modules, file system, path, event streams, environment variables. Level 9 Express.js. Express.js, Express setup, routes, controllers, middleware, request, response, REST API, HTTP, status code. Level 10 MongoDB and Mongoose. MongoDB, NoSQL, database, collection, document, CRUD, query, operations, sorting, pagination, filtering, indexing, aggregation, MongoDB Atlas. Mongoose, schema, model, validation, middleware, relationship, population, reference, virtuals, timestamps, project, production, REST API. Level 11 full stack MERN. React, Node, Express, MongoDB. Feature, registration, login, CRUD, search, filtering, pagination, file upload, authentication, authorization. Project full stack block platform. Full stack Next.js project, full stack block platform. Level 13 security, module web security, password hashing, JWT, cookies, codes, CSRF concepts, XSS, NoSQL, injection, rate limiting, helmet, input validation, environment variables, secure authentication, testing, module 34 testing, backend, jest, super test, unit testing, integration testing, front-end, React testing, library component testing, API, Postman, automated API testing. Level 15, Docker. Module 35, Docker. What is Docker? Image container, Docker file, Docker compose, environment variables, MongoDB container, Node container, Next.js container. Level 16, deployment. Production deployment, front-end, production build environment variables deployment, backend, production node server, environment configuration, course, security, database, MongoDB Atlas, database security, infrastructure, domain, DNS, SSL, HTTPS, reverse proxy, VFS basics, CI/CD introduction, production architecture, real world architecture, module 37, clean code, separation of concern, service layer, reusable components, error handling, scalability, maintainability, AI assisted development, AI for developers, ChatGPT for coding, GitHub Copilot, AI debugging, code generation, refactoring, test generation, documentation, code review, prompt engineering for developers, understanding AI generated code, avoiding dependency on AI. Final capstones, I would make your final project a real-world LMS EdTech SAS platform because it fits perfectly with your teaching background. Project, full stack learning management system, student, instructor, admin panel. So this is all about the MERN stack and Next.js YouTube tutorial series. I think this is a very helpful tutorial series for you if you want to learn and if you want to start, you want to be a developer, web developer. This tutorial series will help you a lot. So guys, connect with me, keep in touch with me. I'm gonna give you so many informations at the same time so that you're gonna learn so many things from me and from my YouTube channel at the same time. Just subscribe my YouTube channel and connect WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Tada.